Hey guys, on today's segment I'll make pulled barbecue chicken. Start by seasoning 2 to 3 pounds of chicken thighs or chicken breast. You can also use a combination of both white and dark meat. Add 2 tablespoons of safflower or canola oil to a heavy bottom pot such as a Dutch oven. Add the diced onions and allow to cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Once the onions are tender and translucent, you could remove them from the pot. Add another tablespoon of oil and begin to add the chicken pieces in batches. And please don't do what I'm doing. I had the gloves on, and that's a little irresponsible because the oil does splatter and I could have burned myself. Use the correct kitchen utensils and not your hand. For the barbecue sauce, add the sugar mixture and the Worcestershire sauce. Say that 3 times. And mix. Looks good, huh? Now it's time to deglaze the pot. Normally I like to use Guinness beer, but I had an IPA on hand, so I'm going to use that. Remember that the alcohol boils at a lower temperature than water, so some of the alcohol content will evaporate during cooking. The flavors and other characteristics of the beer still remain, and that contributes to the overall taste of the pulled chicken. If beer is not your thing and you don't have a palate for it, then you could deglaze the pot with chicken stock, water, or apple juice. Add the onions, homemade barbecue sauce, and then submerge the chicken into the sauce. Cover and cook on low heat for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Check 45 minutes in, and if the chicken is fork tender, remove it from the pot. Allow the sauce to reduce on low for 10 to 15 minutes. While the sauce is reducing, shred the chicken with 2 forks. Easy peasy pulled barbecue chicken with a subtle hint of malty sweetness and flavor that complements the smoky, tangy barbecue sauce. Have it on a bun, on its own, or with coleslaw and a salad. And that whole act is for my little girl. Things we have to do for our finicky eaters. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.